with Miggy. Tommy pala. Alam mo, buong araw na akong confused sa inyong dalawa. So, it's my, oh sorry, not your fault. Sige, go ahead, Tommy.
Si Direk Eric po nag-message sa akin.
Wow, personal, gano'n, no? Discovered, Did you get a call? Or...
Yes, same po kami ni Tommy. Direk Eric and Sir Deo followed me on Instagram.
Taray, kinas kayo just by following you sa Instagram, ha?
Yeah, tapos pinatawag lang, sabi they wanted to meet me. So, when
so medyo gulat kasi Deo yun, at saka Eric.
Yeah, like, at the same time po kasi parang kakatapos ko lang din ata na...
I'm sure may pinanggaling ang big project to na ang galing-galing mo. Ganun yun eh, hindi pwedeng wala eh. Ano kaya?
Sa Game Boy.
Game Boy.
Yeah, I was with Elijah.
Kayo ba yung dalawa doon?
Yes.
Hindi.
I mean, hindi po kami love team doon, but...
What? Oh, pwede marinig ko sa kanila. Fans, pwede? Ayun pala yun. But we're happy that you're part of the project.
Sasagot na nga ako.
Sasagot na si ECS.
Sasagot na nga ako.
Ayun. Kwento mo na nga.
Kasi ganito, long story short, kasi Sir Deo kasi mayroon mga senior high na nga in mind. And sabi ni Sir Deo, he wanted may mga newcomers, not from ABS. Parang may nakita ng mga variety, may from ABS, may outsiders, may outsiders. So sabi niya, look for Miggy, sabi niya ganyan. Sabi ko, okay. So inanap ko sa IG, and then sabi, Sir Deo, can I have si Tommy, he wants Cinemalaya last year. Sige, go. Sabay mo sila sa call, parang go see. So ayun, tinawagan ko sa dalawa. I had to, sa kanya IG message kay Miggy and kay Tommy. I think I had to get his number from Madonna Tarayo kasi Madonna is the manager of Kate, his sister. So, ayun. Tapos yung pinag-ghostin na silang dalawa ni Sir Deo. Tapos sabi ni Sir Deo after nila, hindi pa namin sinabi sa another part of senior high. Sabi ni Sir Deo after the interview, sige, cast natin sila. Tapos, find a role for them, create a role for them sa senior high. So, yun yung kwento.
Yung Cinemalaya.
No, so si Tommy Alejandro for the baseball player last year. So Miggy was part of Game Boy. So I had to watch Game Boy para makilala ko. Okay.
Mahusay talaga.
Yeah.
Alright. Naku, mas na-excite kayo pag finalo ko kayo sa Instagram, ha? Ibig sabihin, project yun. Chares! Pinafollow ko na kayo lahat. Jala! We'd like to hear from you. We all know royalty ito eh, but my God. She is the third generation sa Ataydes joining show. Every 10 years may pumapasok na Ataydes sa showbiz. She's the third from the third generation.
For me po, kasi I found out through my mom that they were asking her if I was willing to start acting. But prior to this po kasi, they asked na for, like, previously for the front series naman po, but it didn't push through. So, yeah, and then they told my mom po, tapos, at first di po ako naniwala, because I was like, hindi po ako, like, it's my first. And then when she told me the lineup, parang sabi ko, ito po yung mga kasama ko. Parang hindi po ako naniwala at first. But then eventually, parang, yun, they just told me to go to the, what was it? The story pitching and the first teaser.
Yeah, sa Terrace Manila for the shoot natin.
Yeah.
Alright. Ayun, so, and history now, you are a world champion. You won recently in World Hip Hop Dance Championship, whatever. Kasi kwento a little lang. It's, you are part of this group. In fact, you're one of the leaders of this group, which is?
So, I'm part of Legit Status, and yun nga po, we won Hip Hop International in Arizona in the Mega Crew Division. So, yes, this was just last August 6, and pag-uwi ko po, taping. So,
actually, nag-jet lag pa rin daw si Jella.
Yes, actually, I have not recovered, so, but kaya.
Of course. Okay, ang dami kong mga tinanong. This time, I'll give the microphone to our mga guests na media and influencers. Si Nat, si Bongo o si Nat ang magtatanong or si Milo? Milo na. Of course, Milo is a familiar face. Alam na, he's part of the production of cinema and now he's part of Rise Studio. Milo, hi!
Hi! Galing. Hindi, no? Natanong niyo na, Sir EJ, kung paano sila nakuha. Hindi, sige, hindi, ito na lang. Ang gagaling. Hindi, sige, balikan na lang natin ng mga estudyante tayo, no? Ilagay lang natin, stand natin yung mga nabubuli. Tayo ba, ilagay lang natin yung sitwasyon natin. Kapag may nakita ba tayong bully, pinapayagan lang ba natin ng bubuli or pinagtatanggol natin? Or may binibigay ba tayong, kakampi ba tayo sa mga binubuli o nang bubuli?
As, ano na?
Sa lahat na po, kung sa inyo na po yan. Siyempre, sa lahat na po, for everyone na question, personal, wala to doon sa ano. Asaril Manabat, Asmira Elmido. Kasi ako nang bubuli ako eh. So, gusto ko lang balikan.
Ayan.
Hindi kasi sa wig mong yan, mabubuli ka talaga, Milo. Charot lang. Ay, mind that.
Headbang nga pa, headbang.
Friends kami ni Milo. Let's start with Tommy. How do you go about bullying? If you're not comfortable answering, it's okay, ha? But pero interesting, it's a very now thing, eh. Time is up! Chika! Chika. Ay, Nalim-naliman kasi yan. Talagang pinag-iisipan niya. Go ahead na.
Gusto kong sabihin na pagtatanggol ko yung binubuli. Pero sa personality ko kasi natatakot akong makipagsuntukan at makipagpisikalan. So, parang tatahimik lang ako. Tapos, siguro, pag hindi na sila, pagtapos na.
Have you
doon na ako.
experienced or seen one?
Yes. Yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
School
Growing
or...
up, I've seen bullying.
Being
I've
bullied?
been bullied. I was a bully without knowing I was a bully. You know, all of those.
You were?
Parang yung bigla na lang at the end of the school year may nagmamin sa akin na, alam mo, feeling ko na-bully ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, bait ko nga sa'yo eh.
Wow.
Pero yun pala hindi.
Okay.
Pero ano, siguro pag may nakita nga akong ganun, susubukan ko talaga na parang intindihin na lang yung both sides.
It's good that we hear from them kasi hindi ko na alam how you guys, now the Gen Z, you know, your thoughts about it. Or,
Siguro namimili rin ako kung saan ako magsasalita.
Okay.
Namimili
You
ako
choose
kung anong klaseng pambubuli. Yung alam kong kaya ko talagang ipagtanggol yung nabubuli.
Kasi-
Depende sa anong klaseng pagbubuli.
Kasi ang
Depende.
pag-iwas naman,
Kasi
hindi
pag
naman sign
personal
of
din na-
defeat yan, di ba?
Oo, pag ako din nakaka-relate kasi mas doon ako nagkakalakas ng loob na parang mag-speak up.
Oo.
Pero pag hindi ko masyadong alam kong di ko kaya talaga yung makakalaban
Tama
ko.
naman,
wag
pinipili
na
mo lang. Oo. Jella, mukhang ito, palabanton. Palabanton si Jella. She will never be.
I think, for me po kasi, I grew up being bullied. So if you ask me now,
Pinihagan ni Ibs? Charot. Pinihagan ni Ibs yan.
so I think if you ask me now, given the chance, I wouldn't want to be a bystander. I think if I could, kung kaya kong ipagtanggol, then yes. Pero of course, with the fear na kung ano man mangyayari sa akin, kung ako yung aawayan. But then, if I know that I can step in, and when I can step in, then I will. Kasi hindi ko kayang yung nanunood lang na may nasasaktan.
But never kang naging bully to other people.
Maybe I have.
So, without you knowing it?
Yeah, because sometimes, there's...
Ganun pala yan,
maybe
ano?
unintentionally, someone felt like, someone felt offended with what I said or did.
Was that
Saying.
bullying na ba yun?
But I think kasi, I don't know, because anyone can feel bullied without actually, because bullying isn't just physical po nowadays. It's
Okay, may definition
Yeah.
pala yun.
Yeah,
From...
there's also verbal na po now na, yun, parang, they could just be yeah, parang nasindak lang po sila sa sinabi mo. So,
Okay.
ganun lang po. Yeah, but maybe I have unintentionally, but if you ask me, I'm not the type of person.
Sige, alright. Thank you, Jella. Sai,
Ako po kasi,
thoughts on bullying?
wait lang, huwag ka na ako. Pressure mo ako. So, mabinig ko agad. Pwede pa katalino muna ako, kunyari.
Ganda lang.
Yung about po sa if may gagawin ako or if papababayaan ko lang if ever may nabubuli. Siguro po kasi lumaki po ako na makonsensyahin tao na parang hindi po kakayanin ng konsensya ko if wala akong ginawa. Hindi din po kakayanin ng konsensya ko if ever may nabully ako. Siguro pwedeng may nabully ako tapos pag uwi ko naman or paglipas ng ilang araw, i-overthink ko nang i-overthink. Tapos iisipin ko na, alam ko mali yun, bakit ko ginawa yun? Parang ganun. Nagsi-self-doubt po ako tapos nagkakaroon ako mga realizations.
Kanya-kanya silang realizations pala.
Opo, pero if ever may nabubuli sa harapan ko, pag alam ko naman pong nasa tama ako, feeling ko hindi naman po ako matatakot ipagtanggol yung tao. Especially, meron po akong parang, parang palaban po na side na ayokong pinapatahimik ako if ever meron talaga akong paglalaban. Parang ganun.
Okay. Thank you.
Pero I once a bully. Sorry po.
Talaga?
May
Yung short
nag-aabang
mong
po
yan.
kasi.
Charot lang. Pinatakot sa'yo.
Nag-aabang po.
Okay. Grabe ha? Okay. Zijan!
Ako naman, sagutin ko lang din po yung about sa kung may gagawin ako, kung may nakita akong binubuli. Ako po kasi yung tao na parang kung may makita man akong gano'n, hindi ko na siya papakailaman. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na wala akong pake, pero ayoko lang madamay dun sa problema, sa gulo nila, gano'n. Kasi baka pati ako mapag-initan. Pero siguro pag kumalma na, parang gusto ko rin i-reach out yung taong nabully na, tol, okay lang yan. Parang i-ano ko rin siya, basta mag-reach out din po ako sa kanya. And, gaya ni Sai, parang,
Hindi po kami proud, natatawa lang po kami.
may mga, siguro po, may mga nabully rin siguro ko na hindi ko alam. At, ang mga binubuli ko lang naman yung mga kaibigan ko na alam, may limitation ba po? Parang wala namang pisikalan. Pero alam,
Parang minsan wala.
hindi, ikaw lang kasi yung lagi kong binubuli, kaya
Minsan nga parang joking din. Akala niya
opo,
nabubuli
yun
niya
yung
na,
mga
di ba?
ganun po. Pero hindi po talaga kami nagbubulihan.
Alright.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you. With Miggy,
Excited siya.
thoughts on bullying or have you seen or experienced one?
I experienced being bullied naman. Ako naman yung binubully when I was
High school? Alright.
So, kaya din ako, there was a time na nag-home study din ako for
Ganung level for you
third
to
year.
quit?
I mean, I was also working kasi at the same time when I was young. So, nag-start din po kasi ako mag-artista ng bata pa ako.
Child actor.
So, I got bullied by the teacher. So, by the teachers also, not just with my fellow students.
Physical? Hurt ka?
No, physically. Minsan mas masakit pa yung words kasi sa physical eh. So, medyo naging malaking tanim sa akin yun. So, I had to like home study habang nag-work din. So, sa college ko lang talaga ako bumawi ng like sanity of having real friends. Because ako din mismo, like, I guess, of course, I'm not perfect, no? May mga tinatawag tayong asar, which is asar sa mga ibang tao, which is sometimes it's so insensitive na hindi natin alam, hindi natin nakikita yung sarili or naririnig pa yung sarili natin. Yeah, so, hindi rin ako magmamalinis na baka na may nabully din ako. And the thing is, we get to learn. Yeah. We get to be aware of it.
Given na situation na nakakita ka, what are you gonna do?
Siguro magkakaiba naman tayo ng understanding, pero it's more of siguro, you know when it's out of line. Kapag medyo out of line yung hirit, or kapag may mga sinabi sa'yo na like binody shame ka, diba? That's a big thing. So medyo offensive talaga siya. Na especially, hindi natin alam eh. We have to be just kind to everyone. May mga inner battles tayong lahat.
Ay, totoo yan na. Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to be cautious lang.
Thank you, Miggy. Daniela.